Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how you can be able to remove your websites from HBAgency, one of the best Google alternatives. So one of my subscribers asked that on the comment section, how do we remove your websites from HBAgency? That's one of the biggest challenges being faced so far by bloggers who get monetized through HBAgency. How do they remove in case in the future if they don't want to partner with HBAgency again? How do you now remove your websites from your blog or your website from their platform? So I'll be guiding you through on how to do that. So, and if today is your first time on visiting my channel, please do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this. So as you can see, there is no place to remove your HBAgency websites from here. If you want to remove your platform, there is no navigation button like that of AdSense where you can click and get to remove your website from their platform. So the best way to do that is to send them a mail. Send them. I think early last year, I sent because I wanted to remove this site that is not approved. This site that is not approved on my account. I wanted to remove that. So I send them a message, a mail using my email account, the email I used to sign up on HBAgency. Use that same email. Message them, tell them I want to remove one of your websites. As of that time that I send them the mail, the response I got from them is that you cannot remove your blog from their platform. What you can do is actually you can remove the code. You can remove the code from your website. Once you remove the code from your website, it will stop showing ad on your blog. But removing that particular blog or website from their platform, as of that time, it's not possible from users end. So but now you can still contact them. They are making some changes to their website. You can still contact them and know if it is possible now for them to be able to remove your website from their platform. So you get to contact them and also hear from them. But if you want your ad to stop showing on their website, just remove the ad code from your website. And I hope you understand what I mean. So you have to remove your website, just try and contact them, message them directly using your email. So if you find any usefulness in this particular video, please do it to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching this video.